So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts. I've been addicted to Dunkin' Donuts lately. I've been going to Dunkin' like three times a day. Today, this is my second time. I went in the morning and at night. Guys, so PUA benefits for drivers are being extended nationwide. I'm gonna get into, the full details and the full announcement. This is amazing news. Perfect news. I love this. Why? Because, it's not... I went out and drove for Uber the other day. I went out and did Postmates for 2 days last week, actually, which was very interesting because I am not used to doing food delivery. I did a total of 11 deliveries. Yeah. So over 2 days. So about 5.5 deliveries each day, which is, a couple hours each day, a few hours each day, maybe 5 hours total. I'm used to driving Uber and Lyft. Uber and Lyft right now, you can go out and drive and make money, but it's it's hard work. You're wearing a mask all day. It's tough. It's a lot different. It's not as fun anymore. Postmates, I didn't make that much money, but I did receive an $8 tip, which was nice. However, I myself don't feel comfortable going out and doing gigs full time, and I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this aren't either. Or maybe you're an independent contractor or self-employed, or maybe you work at a normal other job. For whatever reason, you're getting PUA benefits as opposed to unemployment benefits. PUA is basically benefits for gig workers and independent contractors and self-employed. I am a self-employed person. However, I have a business set up, an LLC, so I pay myself out as an employee. So that's how that works. So let's get right into it. Let's get into the announcement. I want to keep this short, simple, and sweet. Again, use the link down below for GetUpside to get cash back on your gas fuel fill-ups. And if you do decide to start driving for Uber, I'm going to leave instructions down below. Or let's say you did sign up for Uber within, the past couple months and you never used a referral code. You can now use the referral code down below to get a guarantee of up to $1,000 applied. So make sure to use that link. The driver referral program is back in action. Uber didn't announce it, but it's there. It's in our driver apps. We can now see it. This is actually on money.com. I'm so jealous of the person who decided to purchase money.com back when domains were being sold. They probably sold money.com for a lot of money. Probably around $1 million. Not even joking. A detailed guide. I read state and I read guide. A detailed guide. Shout out if you ever have little word fumbles. A detailed guide to every state extending PUA benefits. By the way, shout out to Dunkin'. Bro, I'm addicted to this stuff. Oh, that hits different, bro. As the coronavirus pandemic continues to cause layoffs around the country, nearly every state has introduced extended benefits for unemployed residents. Tens of millions of Americans are still out of work. 1.3 million new people joined the unemployment roll in the week ending July 11 alone. That's actually cray-cray. So in the past month of unemployment, there's still 1.3 million new people. So it's not slowing down. Oh. Can't read that text on here. And the extra $600 a week they've been getting from the CARES Act is expected to expire at the end of the month. I believe it's July 30th. Let's see what if USA Today has. Sure, accept my cookies. Yes, sell all my data. It's fine. I don't need my data. Unemployment benefits typically last up to 26 weeks according to the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities, but under the CARES Act, states are providing at least 13 weeks of additional federally funded benefits to people who exhaust their typical state benefits. In states with high unemployment, those benefits are extended even further, another 13 to 20 weeks. Thank you, according to the CBPP. Workers who don't qualify for additional unemployment benefits can get benefits through the PUA. That's amazing. Guys, by the way, if you fill up gas and you don't use Get Upside, I'm serious. 25 cents back per gallon of gas. It's awesome. I'll just show you guys really quick. I did just recently cash out my money, but yeah, I did just cash out my money. I could show you guys, but I'm getting good money on here. Earnings balance. I just cashed out like 50 bucks the other day. Alabama, 14. Extended 7 weeks. 20 weeks, 13 weeks in Alaska, Arizona. I'll leave a link down below so you can check out your state. I mean, I'm in California. Extended benefits available 20 weeks. So, I mean, if you guys can finesse the system and get this extension, I mean, that's pretty awesome. These are all the states. Again, I'll just leave a link down below because, you know, I'm not going to go through 50 states. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Again, use the link down below for Get Upside to get that cash back on your gas and the Uber code if you signed up with no referral code. Talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.